High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a serious medical condition that can lead to heart attacks, strokes, and other severe complications if left untreated. But what if we told you that you could manage high blood pressure with these delicious teas? That's right. In today's episode, let's explore some of the most amazing teas that can help you regulate your blood pressure in the healthiest way possible. Let's get started. Number 1. Hibiscus Tea. First on our list is Hibiscus Tea, which has been found to have potential blood pressure lowering properties. This is due to compounds like anthocyanins and polyphenol, which have excellent antioxidant properties and can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Some research also suggests that drinking hibiscus tea regularly may help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with mild to moderate hypertension. To make hibiscus tea, start by boiling water in a pot or kettle. Once the water comes to a boil, add dried hibiscus flowers and allow them to steep for several minutes. The longer you let the flowers steep, the stronger the tea will be. After steeping, strain the flowers from the tea and add any sweeteners or flavorings such as honey or lemon if desired. You can enjoy hibiscus tea hot or cold, and it is a refreshing and delicious way to potentially improve your cardiovascular health. Number 2. Green Tea. Next up is green tea. While green tea is well known for its health benefits, did you know that it can also help lower blood pressure? Green tea contains catechins, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation in the body, including the blood vessels. These catechins help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, leading to more regulated blood pressure. In fact, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming green tea extract for 12 weeks reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 2.6 units and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 2.2 units. This can make a considerable difference if you are already suffering from hypertension symptoms. Number 3. Black tea. Drink black tea regularly and say goodbye to high blood pressure. The theaflavins and catechins in black tea have been shown to promote cardiovascular health and reduce blood pressure levels. To maximize its health benefits, boil water in a kettle or pot, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of black tea leaves or a tea bag to a cup, and pour the hot water over the tea leaves or tea bag. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes before removing the tea leaves or tea bag. It is recommended to drink 2 to 3 cups of black tea per day to help lower blood pressure. However, avoid consuming it before bedtime, as the caffeine content can interfere with sleep. Remember, drinking black tea alone may not be enough to normalize your blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy weight, exercising regularly, reducing sodium intake, and managing stress levels are also crucial for lowering blood pressure. Number 4. Rooibos Tea. Another effective caffeine-free drink and natural remedy for lowering high blood pressure is Rooibos Tea. Rich in antioxidants, particularly polyphenol, Rooibos Tea helps relax blood vessels, improve blood flow, and reduce inflammation in the body, all of which can contribute to lowering blood pressure levels. To make Rooibos Tea, boil water in a kettle or pot and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of Rooibos tea leaves or a tea bag to a cup. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves or tea bag, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and then remove the leaves or tea bag. You can add honey, lemon, or milk to taste. Drinking 2 to 3 cups of Rooibos tea daily can help lower blood pressure. Since it is caffeine-free, you can also enjoy it an hour before bed. Number 5. Ginger Tea. Another excellent tea for lowering blood pressure is ginger tea. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various health conditions, including high blood pressure. It is rich in antioxidants, particularly phenolic compounds called gingerols, which have anti-inflammatory, blood sugar lowering, and even anti-cancer properties. These compounds help relax blood vessels, promoting smooth blood flow and regulated blood pressure levels. To make ginger tea, slice fresh ginger root and steep it in hot water for several minutes. You can also add a bit of honey or lemon to taste. Number 6. Oolong Tea. Oolong tea is a traditional Chinese tea that is partially fermented and rich in polyphenol, which are powerful antioxidants. One study found that drinking oolong tea regularly for 6 weeks led to a significant reduction in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure in people with hypertension. Another study discovered that people who consumed oolong tea regularly for at least 8 weeks experienced improved endothelial function, an important factor in maintaining healthy blood pressure. While more research is needed to fully understand the effects of oolong tea on blood pressure, these studies suggest that it can be a delicious and healthy addition to the diet of those with high blood pressure. To make a delightful cup of oolong tea, start by boiling water. Measure out about 1 teaspoon of oolong tea leaves per cup of water and place the tea leaves into a tea infuser or directly into a teapot. Pour the hot water over the tea leaves and allow them to steep for 2 to 3 minutes, adjusting the steeping time based on your taste preference. Once the tea has steeped, remove the tea leaves by straining the tea through a fine mesh strainer or removing the tea infuser. Finally, pour the tea into cups and enjoy it plain or with a sweetener like honey or sugar. Number 7. Chamomile Tea. Chamomile tea is an herbal tea made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant. This caffeine-free tea is particularly known for its relaxing and calming effects on the brain, making it a popular choice before bedtime to promote relaxation and sleep. Some studies suggest that drinking chamomile tea regularly may help lower blood pressure, possibly due to its ability to reduce stress and anxiety. Apigenin, a flavonoid found in chamomile, has both antioxidant and calming properties. One study found that drinking chamomile tea regularly for 12 weeks led to a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure in people with hypertension symptoms. To make chamomile tea, bring a cup of water to a boil. Place 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried chamomile flowers or 1 to 2 chamomile tea bags into a teapot or mug. Pour the boiling water over the chamomile and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the flowers or tea bags and enjoy your calming and soothing cup of chamomile tea. Number 8. Pu-Erh Tea. Pu-Erh Tea is a type of fermented tea originating from the Yunnan province in China. It is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, the same plant used to make green tea, black tea, and other types of tea. Some studies suggest that drinking Pu-Erh tea may help lower blood pressure. For instance, a study published in the journal Hypertension Research found that drinking Pu-Erh tea regularly for 12 weeks was associated with a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure in people with high blood pressure. Another study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that Pu-Erh tea extract had a vasodilatory effect, meaning it helped widen blood vessels and improve blood flow. To make Pu-Erh tea, you will need Pu-Erh tea leaves and hot water. Boil the water and let it cool for a minute, then pour it over the tea leaves in a teapot or mug. Steep the tea for 3 to 5 minutes or until it reaches your desired strength. Pour the tea into a cup and enjoy the unique flavor and potential health benefits of Pu-Erh tea. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.